is going on a date that with someone you're not attracted to bad, even if they say, hey, I just want to take you out to dinner. It's like, no stipulations. I just want to like hang out. Is that a bad thing? Should you only go on a date if you're attracted to somebody? And this is just for my knowledge, guys. So don't come for me, please. I'm learning.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because
I think women have the ability. Let me say this.
No, because it's like you're leading him on because he thinks there's a possibility of sex, and on your end, there's no possibility of sex ever.
So guys only ask women out on dates if there's a possibility of sex.
Yeah.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
Why on earth would he ask you out?
Maybe not possibility right there and then, but possibility in general.
Okay. Wow.
He turned around and started essentially verbally plagiarizing my book, The Possibility of Sex. And to a lesser extent, The Betterment Revolution. So, if my advice is so outdated, why are you still in my shit?
Matter of fact, little whore.
If you got some content creators, your favorite ones, and you never ever hear anything that's really unique, where, wow, I've never heard this shit before. Like, whoa, this is amazing. There's a good chance that they've just plagiarized a lot of their stuff, most of their stuff. Because if they had a bunch of experience with women, if they really and truly had an elite understanding of this stuff, they could present information to you that's really unique, that you've never heard before, that makes that content creator special. Just like Alan Roger Curry.